Hey guys, so if you're coming from my other videos, I did my under eye, my face makeup. Now I'm going to show you how I do my brows and how simple it is. So I'm using the MAC Eyebrow Styler Crayon. It's in the shade Spiked. You guys, it has a little, oh, hold on. It has a little spoolie. So you can just like brush up your brows. I like to keep my brows pretty natural. Just kind of what I do. So I don't know if you can see that. Remember like the olden YouTube days where you're like here so you can zoom in? It's not working. But anyways, so I'm looking at a mirror over here. But what I do is I fill it in kind of like I'm coloring. So you know how like you're connecting the dots? And then on the areas that are sparse, I like to, you're just kind of filling it in and you're doing it very soft-handed. Now don't panic because that's where a spoolie comes into play. So if you get too much, it just kind of makes it simple. And then so I kind of just, I go with the brow. I don't try to change it. I don't try to do too much to it. I kind of just try to keep it with the natural shape of my brow. I found that's just works best for me. That's what I prefer. I just like it very natural. And then you're gonna just brush it out like that. So when you're brushing it out, you're actually kind of fading the pencil, which I kind of like, because if you go a little too heavy-handed, it's okay because you're gonna brush it out and fade it. You can add a brow gel. I don't have a brow gel. I've been using the Benefit brow gel, but I'm out of it. So I just kind of use the pencil and I need to go pick up a brow gel. I'll let you guys know in my stories which brow one I end up picking up, but comment down below if you have a brow recommendation, probably drugstore, make it affordable please, and all that fun. This is my brows. So I'm going to show you in the next video how I do my eyeshadow, and I'm using a new palette I'm super excited for, so stay tuned.